Hey everyone, welcome to the unboxing and overview of SIGNI Telephoto Lens. This is a telephoto lens with a focal length of about 60mm which can be used with your smartphones to click some really awesome images. Let's open up the box and see what all you get inside. First up, you can find a premium carrying case inside the box which can be used to carry around the lens safely with you in your backpack. Opening up this case, there are a lot of things inside and let's get to them one by one. First up is the telephoto lens itself. This lens is made out of high quality materials and works really well with your smartphones to click some really awesome images. Next up, there's a premium pouch which again can be used to safely carry the lens with you. The next thing inside the carrying case is the universal clip which will be used to attach the lens to your smartphone camera. We also provide a microfiber cleaning cloth inside the box itself so that you can easily clean the lens in case it gets dirty. Last but not the least is the hook which can be used to attach this case to your backpack or something like that. Apart from that, there's some paperwork inside the box which includes a contact card with all our contact information on it. So if you have any queries, please feel free to contact us. The remaining paperwork includes an instruction manual and some information about our other products. So those were the box contents. Now let's go ahead and see how to actually use this lens with your smartphones. First up, remove the protective covers of the lens. Next up, take the universal clip and attach the lens to it by rotating the lens in clockwise direction. Once that is done, place the lens in front of the camera module of your smartphone. Please make sure to align the lens properly with the camera module for best results. Once you follow these simple steps, you are good to go and you can start shooting some really awesome photos and videos with this lens. This telephoto lens has an effective focal length of about 60mm and you can shoot some really good images like these over here. So anyway, this is how the SIGNI Telephoto Lens works. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.